IDs, take it out. Put your shoes in another bin. I said it already. Put your shoes in another bin. Put your shoes in a separate bin. Remove the hoodie for us. Push it down. It don't matter if you got it on, zip it off.
Move it off.
Put the shoes in a separate bag. Shoes in a separate bag. No electronics, no cell phones, no IDs. Remove the hat.
Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? These 10 phrases I'm going to teach you now in Spanish can save you from losing your flight if you travel to Spain or a Latin American country. So stay tuned and learn these 10 phrases that will help you at the airport. So let's start right now. Frase número 1. So phrase number 1. ¿Dónde puedo recoger mi equipaje? ¿Dónde puedo recoger mi equipaje? Where can I pick up my luggage? Where can I pick up my luggage? Número 2. ¿A qué hora sale mi vuelo? ¿A qué hora sale mi vuelo? What time does my flight leave? What time does my flight leave? ¿A qué hora sale mi vuelo? Número 3. Tengo una reserva. Tengo una reserva. I have a reservation. Tengo una reserva. Número 4. ¿Cuál es la puerta de embarque? ¿Cuál es la puerta de embarque? Which is the boarding gate? Which is the boarding gate? Muy bien, perfecto. So if you are enjoying this video, if you think these phrases at the airport in Spanish are useful for you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and remember that we have a full Spanish course for beginners online, and I give you 80% discount. I'll leave you the link in the description if you want to take your Spanish from scratch to the next level, to speak Spanish. So with these 24 lessons that I prepare for you, you will be able to speak Spanish if you follow all the steps. You can do it intensively if you want. You can do it in a month. So speak Spanish in a month, guys. I'll leave you the link for the course in the description. So let's continue. Seguimos. Let's continue with Spanish expression, Spanish phrases at the airport. Número 5. Número 5. ¿Cuánto cuesta el exceso de equipaje? ¿Cuánto cuesta el exceso de equipaje? So, how much is the excess baggage fee? How much is the excess baggage fee? Perfecto. Número 6. Número 6. ¿Dónde están los servicios? ¿O dónde están los baños? Where are the toilets? Where are the restrooms? It's the same in Spanish. ¿Dónde están los baños? ¿O dónde están los servicios? Muy bien. Número 7. Número 7. Necesito ayuda para encontrar mi puerta. Necesito ayuda para encontrar mi puerta. I need help finding my gate. I need help finding my gate. Número 8. ¿Cuánto tiempo falta para abordar? ¿Cuánto tiempo falta para abordar? How much time until boarding? How much time until boarding? Perfecto. Número 9. Número 9. ¿Hay conexión Wi-Fi aquí? ¿Hay conexión Wi-Fi aquí? Is there Wi-Fi here? Is there Wi-Fi here? Y número 10. Número 10. Perdí mi equipaje. ¿Puedo reportarlo? Perdí mi equipaje. ¿Puedo reportarlo? I lost my luggage. Can I report it? I lost my luggage. Can I report it? Muy bien, chicos. Buen trabajo. Very good job. So, remember, use these phrases at the airport and don't lose your flight. Don't lose your luggage. It's very important. So use them when you travel to Spain or Latin America. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Leave me a comment with your favorite phrase or another phrase that we didn't use here and you think is useful at the airport. I will reply to your comment. If you want to ask me any phrase, I'm happy to help you out. Let me just remind you that if you want to do, if you're in the level beginner and you want to do a full course, you want to speak Spanish in 1 month following my method, the method that I apply in that course, I have a course online with 24 video lessons that you can do 1 lesson every day, and the course covers all the content you need to complete the level beginner. So I will leave you the link in the video, in the description, if you want to start it. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Adiós. Hasta luego.